Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group. You see it in the cut right there. Hold on, let me go ahead and show it. Right there, back there. That's what it is, man. We back with another video, man. In this video, man, gotta do some much needed maintenance on my truck, man. My SUV. People hate when I call it a truck. On my SUV, on my X5, man. So I gotta do some repairs. I've been having some vacuum leaks, and I tried to replace the PCV valve. It's a new one, but for some reason, this thing, oh wait, for some reason this thing cracked on me when I was reinstalling this reinstalling the reinstalling the I don't know what it is, like a I think it's a PCV valve. Got a it got a connector to it, so it's a valve, I guess, to measure like the airflow. So all of this is your oil separator on the newer BMWs. They don't have like the little canisters anymore, and for some reason this is all plastic. So over time these parts get brittle and cause like a vacuum leak. You know, all my hoses were good, but ain't no way around it, man. It's some maintenance shit you gotta do on these cars, man. Over the years, once they get age, everything starts dry rotting. And it's being a turbo car, you know, you don't want no boost leaks or no vacuum leaks. You know, you're gonna be burning a lot of oil, which I noticed. I was having a lot of, well, not a lot, probably lose like a quarter of a quart. Like probably like, cause I don't even drive my cars a lot either, you know. But anyway, so we got the upgraded part now. So let me show you what we got. So I went ahead and got the aluminum valve cover with the new valve cover gaskets, the cam sensor seal, new valve cover oil cap, and then I got a new I forgot what this thing is called. I think it's like a valve, some type of valve. And then it came with bolts and stuff too, bolts and washers. You know. That's what we're gonna be doing on this video, man. I'm recording on my phone. I could go upstairs and go get my damn camera, but I was really putting this job off. But since I'm in the mood to do it now, man, I'm just gonna go ahead and start knocking shit out, man. The first thing I'm gonna do, man, I'll clean off all the leaves and stuff. But I'm gonna take all this shit out the way. I've seen a lot of videos of people saying like this, you moving this strut bar and all that stuff give you a lot more room when putting it back on. Like taking it off, I can sneak it out this way, but putting it back on, you're gonna want to you're gonna want to put it on flush, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start taking this thing apart right here. Sorry, but yeah, man, I'm recording on my phone, so I'm sorry for like the lighting and all that type of stuff, man. Well, damn, I got some more. Damn. But anyways, you know. But let's get started, man. Alright, guys, so we got the air box and all that stuff out, man. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to get this I'm gonna take this bar out and then this air box and the charge pipe, all that shit out, man. I'm just trying to make everything open so I could, you know, pull it off, put it back on. Gotta remove the fuel rail lines. Damn. It's a lot of dirt that get into these little crevices, man. Jeez. Yeah, I don't want no dirt to get in my motor, though. Hell no. Alright, man, that's just a little update. I'll show y'all more progress, you know, as we keep going, man. Alright, so we got that strut brace. Strut brace that was holding it here. We got that out now. Now we gotta just, sorry, let me get my light right. Now we just gotta get this these two bolts out for the harness and take out this air box. We just want to make some room on top of the valve cover so we can take this thing out. All right, guys. So yeah, man, I've been working everything basically off. Only thing left is the injectors. I'm sorry I ain't recorded, man, but I got all the injectors on there. I mean, well, these are the injectors. These are the connections to the fuel rail. Got them all lined up here. You want to put these right back where you got them from, because they all like different. And all the coils, I marked all of them. So, you know. But yeah, man, we almost ready to take it off. To get the whole thing off. Last thing I gotta do is injector connectors off, and then I can lay the whole harness over behind the fuel rail so I can start taking the bolts out. All right, man, we almost there, so thumbs up. All right, guys, so we got the whole harness disconnected, pulled over to one side. I'm probably gonna have to play with these to get the valve cover off, but now we can start. Dang, over here it's so wet and dirty. I might have to vacuum this side of the engine out. Jeez, looks like some water is collecting back here somewhere. Wet back there. But I know that could be the fuel. I just took the fuel though. But yeah, man. Yeah, I might have removed the valve cover now. Yeah, let's get this thing out, man. Now it's time to remove the whole valve cover, so let's do that. Yeah, so I'm not sure. All right, guys, so we got I'm just cleaning up the surface now. That thing was a bitch, man. I ain't gonna lie. I got the old one here on the floor. So we're going from that plastic to the aluminum. Quality, and hopefully it lasts longer, because all that's plastic, and over time that thing's gonna crack and get brittle and stuff like that. So that's why I think I had a vacuum code on here. Matter of fact, that's what I should have did. I should have showed you guys the code, but I'm not gonna clear it. I'm just gonna put everything back, and then I'm gonna scan it before I start it up, so y'all can see the code. Yeah, it was like fuel mixture too lean or something like that. I just noticed like it was a lot here. Like even if you look at this connector right there, see how it's all wet. I'm not connected, but that vacuum line. So vacuum is if oil is getting in, that means it's an air leak somewhere, like blow by. So I do want to put a catch can, but for now, you know, I'm gonna do what I can. You know what I mean? Just gotta get it back on the road. So yeah, man. So I'll show you guys once the new one get in. Once I put on the new one, I'll show you guys. Right now, I'm just wiping down all the dirt and debris with a shop rag. So, all right, guys. So we got the new on. The gasket look like it's still sealed up. This thing was a pain in the ass to do, man. I ain't gonna lie. This thing, man. It's like certain details you have to pay attention to, like taking it out in and out from this section. Like I was fighting with it. I was fighting with it, trying to take it out flat on, but it's easier to enter in from the middle and kind of make sure the back is already covered, past the cover, and then slip it on. So I even loosened up all of this stuff right here, trying to slip it in from this angle. So I look online, man. Had to pay attention to the videos I was looking at, and yes, certain people came in at a certain angle to, you know, fit it in there. So if you're doing this job, man, just make sure you're paying attention to details, man, because damn, man, I was struggling for a good 40 minutes, man. But we got the new one now. This reverse procedure, put everything back, hopefully no oil leaks. Fix my vacuum issue. It looked like I was getting a lot of moisture in my valve cover. So, all right, man. Hopefully, everything goes well. But I'll cut this camera on once I get everything connected back, and yeah, see you in a little bit. All right, guys. So we got the majority of everything back on, man. Got the valve cover on, coils on, harness ran. I gotta connect all these vacuum lines and put the charge pipe back. So we still got a lot to go, man. I'm just giving you what's going on. Man, it's been hours, bro. Like this shit here. Yeah, and they gotta come up at least like $500, $600 to do this type shit, man. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm just glad I can do it myself. I can save me some money. And I was just thinking as I was working, like, man, having several cars is a lot of work, man. Like every time you turn around, it's a repair, it's a part, it's an upgrade, it's a mod, like. So yeah, man. If you guys want to see more content, make sure you subscribe to this channel, man. I need to get monetized. I need to start, me, going hard in the paint with these bills, man. I mean, it's a hobby for me. It's a passion for me. So it's not about the money, but at the same time, I need to get the funding, man, because we upgrading parts. No more plastic valve covers. Got aluminum valve covers now, man. So this shit is adding up. You know what I mean? It's adding up quick. So yeah, man. But all right, man. I'm gonna turn this back on once I get everything back on, and oh yeah, I definitely got to show you guys the codes that I had. So I'll definitely show y'all some codes from my scanner. It was a fuel mixture code, so I'm pretty sure it was a vacuum leak. All right, guys, so we all back together, man. It's a long process, man, but it's pretty late now, so I'm gonna probably pick this video up in the morning, and so I can start it up outside. I don't want to start it up in the house. Smoke out my house, no good. Everything is back, everything tight. I'll scan it tomorrow so you guys can see the codes, and hopefully that vacuum leak is gone, and we back being sufficient. You know what I mean? I beat up my car, so I like them to be, in good health when I do it, so. But all right, man, that's it, man. I'll see y'all in the morning. I'll see y'all in the morning, man. We're gonna pick up where we left off, and I'll show y'all what codes I got, and I'll clear them and test drive them and see if we can if anything comes back. All right, guys, it's the next day. Got the car outside, got it idling. Please excuse the mess in my car, man. It's been a lot of snowstorms and stuff, man. But now I'm just reading the values. Making sure it's not misfiring. Seems like it's okay now. When I first started it, it was acting kind of funny, but had a I guess the fuel pressure had to even out. Fuel rails at what? I don't see PSI. Understand units. Minimize. I guess that's all it needed, man. Whew. Man, I ain't gonna lie, this job, these BMWs is no joke, man. But I'm just glad I got the talent to work on mine, man. Seems like it's back. ain't missing at all. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next vlog, man. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video if you like the video or you want to subscribe. You know, I ain't forcing nobody. But all the support that I've been getting lately, a lot of subscriptions and, you know, a lot of feedback in the comments, man. I appreciate it, man. But see you on the next vlog. Peace.